Congratulations on deciding to take a forward step to get in shape and feel great. Today, many people are guilty of wishing they could get a sculpted body from eating junk food and watching TV all day, but that is just not going to happen. Even though getting in shape sounds like a long, time-wasting process, the effort put towards being in shape has many positive effects. If you want to start your journey to having a better body to feel great, here are the 5 simple tips for fitness success. Number 1. Consider exercising daily. Exercise daily for at least an hour. You do not have to kill yourself from running, jogging, etc., but you should have some sort of moderate physical activity in your everyday life. If you're looking to shed a few pounds fast, do a higher level intensity workout. For example, go on a walk at a brisk pace for an hour, or you can jog and set certain intervals to sprint during that hour. Make sure you're not in severe pain during your workout. Just a warning, your muscles will ache after a high-intensity workout. It may be irritating, but that means your body is changing for the better. Be sure to stay hydrated, stretch, and eat foods with a decent amount of protein after each workout. The protein will help keep your muscles, not fat, rebuilding. Number 2. Eat the right foods and portion each meal. No matter how bad your stomach is telling you to go for candy over healthy food, try to stay away from sweets. Sugar from candy will not help you get in shape. Even if it's just a single candy bar, one will eventually lead to another. Fruits and vegetables are the best thing to eat when getting into shape. Apples, for example, do a good job at making the stomach feel full for up to 3 to 4 hours. Green vegetables such as green beans and broccoli keep the digestive system clean and running. Number 3. Keep track of calories and food intake per day. Keeping track of how many calories you eat in a day will be helpful in planning out your physical exercising. Ever wonder why bodybuilders' body masses are so big? That's because they plan out their meals and take in more healthy calories than the average person. On the other hand, losing weight and striving for a skinnier physique will involve more physical exercise than calories you ingest. Number 4. Be sure to get sleep. Even though most of us have 8-hour jobs during the day or night, it is crucial to get enough sleep to recharge the body's batteries. 6 to 8 hours of sleep will keep the body going throughout the day. But if you happen to feel tired at any point after coming home from work, by all means take a small nap before exercising. You should only nap for about a half hour. This will prevent you from staying up later in the night. Number 5. Stay motivated. An important key to being in shape is to set goals and keep a positive mindset. If you stay positive, you will be able to push yourself to get that fit body you've always wanted. Thank you for listening to this tutorial. We hope this information will be of great help to you.